in Nashville, Tennessee, and we are at the Goo Goo store. You are probably wondering what a Goo Goo is. What the heck is a Goo Goo? You see this candy bar right here? It is actually the very first combination candy bar that there ever was. Before 1912, there were just candy bars of one simple ingredient with chocolate and peanuts or chocolate and marshmallow. This was the very first combination candy bar invented in 1912 right here in Nashville, Tennessee. So we're going to go in here and we're going to take a look at a little bit of history of the Goo Goo and also do the taste of Goo Goo. Make our own Goo Goo ourselves. So let's check it out.
Alright, so what we're actually going to be making today is one of our premium Goo Goos, which are, we make some in the shop, they're set ones, and those are going to be bigger, they're going to be these, so you're going to be making your own creation today. Caramel, peanut butter, and marshmallow flavored nougat, white chocolate chips, peanuts, pecans, Oreo pieces, pretzels, and rainbow sprinkles. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to be layering this with what we call a sticky ingredient. You're going to put dry ingredients in the middle and then a top layer of sticky. So we've unofficially named that sticky, dry, sticky. We're working on the naming. Butter frosting, so all you peanut butter lovers should be really excited because it's delicious. So you're gonna take that and put it in the glass bowl. And once you get all the ingredients, peanut butter and the butter in your bowl, then you're gonna take your hand mixer and on the low setting, so about 2, you're just gonna start mixing those together and incorporating it. Since it's been in the fridge for a little bit, you'll probably need to do it.
Yes, just think of it as a power tool.
This is probably the only way I can get my husband in the kitchen. So there's no butter in peanut butter?
Yeah, no, this is for the frosting portion. We like to just make it real creamy, real tasty. I think you guys are ready for your powder sugar. Yeah, you're just going to dump that whole thing in your sifter and then just get all those lumps out.
He's doing the tricky thing.
Now we're going to have perfect ones because if you leave the lumps in, it really can catch up with you.
Right.
I told them.
Instead of eating it,
wow. Nice and fluffy. Okay, so you can pull it out, and then you're just gonna kind of shimmy it down there. Like I said, you can hold the top and then kind of fling it like that in the air, and it just lets gravity kind of take it all down. And then also don't forget to eat some. Test it out. Get more toppings. Ready for smell? Yeah, at the end, I'll have that kind of come out a little bit here.
Switch out. Still has some butter in yours.
You're a genius, and now you have two. Nice.
Little Goo Goo cluster. So it has pretty much everything but the kitchen sink in there. It has chocolate ice cream, vanilla ice cream, peanuts, marshmallows, our house-made salted caramel, and our hot fudge in shake form with our house-made whipped cream as well. And then the sundae you have is a small version of our honky tonk blonde sundae. So that one has our blondies that we make here in the shop that have supreme Goo Goos baked inside of it, topped with vanilla ice cream, our house-made salted caramel.
That's so good.
That is a really good milkshake.
Blondie is pretty hard. It's not something you can work too good.
Is it supposed to be that hard?
I don't know, maybe we didn't let the sauce soften it up enough.
What does everyone think? How are they?
Yeah, nice.
Favorite?
Yeah.
Is it too hard?
Yeah, I need a knife.
Oh yeah, the ice cream is that one's bad. That's yours.
Oh, I broke the thing.
How hard is it? Is it really hard? They're all really hard.
This week. Yeah, that ain't happening.
You get really
Do you have a saw? No, do I have a saw?
Oh, I was like,